Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can change the cover of your TikTok videos even after posting. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, open TikTok application on your device. Once you do so, go to your profile. Once you tap on the profile, you will come here and you will find the videos that you already posted. So suppose I want to change the cover of this video. So I will choose the video. Once the video is open, you will find the three dots here. You need to tap on the three dots and you will find the setting option menu here. You need to scroll where you will find the edit post. You need to tap on edit post, and here you will find that you can change the cover of your video. So you need to tap on edit cover. You can choose the segment from the video that you want to make it like a new cover. You can choose that one, and you can even choose to add text to the cover here, and you can select any style that you want to choose. Once you do so, then you need to just tap on save and all the changes will be saved. But there is one thing, if you read here, you can edit your description and cover once a day. Edit can be made within 7 days of posting. So if you have posted the videos not longer than 7 days, so you can still edit it. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.